Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A5m, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application, which will be located in the Google folder. Next, navigate to Organize. Select Manage SIM, and this will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now for me that's just a couple of contacts, as you can see. And all of them are right now grayed out and deselected because all of these contacts exist on the Google account that the device is trying to default to. But as you can see, this is also a drop-down menu, so I can choose, for instance, the phone itself. And now I can import all of them. So from here, we can also deselect contacts that we might not want. From there, click on Import. It will ask you the moronic question of if you want to delete contacts from your SIM card. No, go F yourself. You don't need to delete my contacts. They are there for a reason. So basically what this is trying to do is just get rid of your contacts from the SIM card to make you rely on contacts as an application, because it's cloud synced. Because Google is a bunch of creeps that want all your data, no matter how intrusive it is. So yeah, we're gonna select Keep. And luckily now, with that option being selected, if something would ever happen to your phone, or maybe your account gets locked out or whatever, you can still have access to your contacts because they're on your SIM card. Anyway, now if we go back to our contacts list, depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to sometimes switch the display location. For me, it is showing right now all contacts. That would include Google account and the phone, but if we tap right here, you can choose to display them from SIM card, from Google account, from the device. So you do have a little bit of a granular control of which contacts are visible. Now, in any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.